Welcome back. We're going to now talk about a different type of drilling machine. This is a bench-mounted pillar drill. It's mounted on a bench. You get floor-mounted ones as well. It's just a much more sturdy way to hold your drills, make your holes in your component, and it will, save your wrists, because if you're drilling with a big drill and a hand drill, it's got a tendency to catch and twist. So we'll go through the parts first, parts of the machine. Start at the base. This is known as the base, surprisingly. And then at the back here, this column is called a column. Right at the back is the motor. There's a light here, which is extremely hot. Attached to the motor are some pulleys and a belt, which is in this cover here, or behind this cover here. And then down here to the drill chuck. Now there's a spindle, and the quill moves up and down, allows you to sink your drill into your component. You'll notice here there's a little table. It can pivot, it can lift up and down depending on what you're doing with your part. There's control switches here. It's just off, on, turn the spindle left and right, light on and off, and an emergency stop. Finally, you've got your handle, which is pretty obvious, and you've got your cover here, your shield. Now, on these machines, it's interlocked, so the machine will not run unless the cover here is closed. So, quick demonstration. I have my component, a piece of metal. As you can see, I've already dabbed a center mark in it, so I know where I'm going to go, and also it will give the drill a nice sort of starting position. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in like so, and I'm just going to, without the machine running, just line it up over the center mark, about there. Now I've got to tighten my vise. So that is now securely held. I don't have to hold my component, and it's ready to drill. What I will also do is spray a little bit of lubricant onto where we're drilling. It just keeps the drill cool. Makes life a bit easier. So closing this, safety specs on, and switch off. You can now see the drill is rotating, ready to go. I'm now going to pull the handle towards me, press down into the component. You can see the spirals coming off. It's a good idea to come off and on. This is what's known as pecking. And pecking just means that you don't have one massive long spiral of swarf, which can get caught up in things. Once you're near the bottom, you'll feel it getting a bit slacker, so you just back off a little bit with your pressure that you're putting on. Go, and lift up, switch off, wait for the drill to stop spinning, and then open. Now loosen the vise. You can see a nicely drilled hole. And that's how we operate a pillar drill.